How to format a blog post. To format a blog post, simply go to your post section and selecting your blog post that you want to edit. The first thing you want to make sure you do is click on the visual editor, which will give you these options here. The first thing I want to do is make the first line of text bold. So I would highlight what I want and then clicking on bold. And as you can see, it's now emphasized using bolding. If I want to make a word italic, I can just select it and click italic. There's also more options if you click on this tool here, show hide kitchen sink. So if I want to underline a word or phrase, I can just highlight it, click on underline, and you can see the underline. If I want to change the color of some text, I will just highlight it and choose my color. If I want to make a list, I will just highlight the text I want and then either click unordered list or ordered list. An ordered list will give it numbers. Once you're done, you simply click update. If I click on view post, I can see the changes take effect, like so. So those are the basics of formatting a blog post. How to install and configure the all-in-one SEO pack. First things first, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Next, go to the plugin section and then click on add new. In the search box, search for all-in-one SEO and then search plugins. You need to find all-in-one SEO pack. This is the one to install. So I'm going to click install now. Click OK and it should install. Now I click activate plugin. And now the plugin is activated. Now you're going to get this message here which says all-in-one SEO pack must be configured. So I'm going to click go to the admin page, this link here. This is where you configure the all-in-one SEO pack. Scrolling down, you've got plugin status. Make sure you enable it first. So once I've enabled it, the next thing I want to do is fill in these fields here: home title, home description, and home keywords. Just for your information, I did a search on Google for golf tips, which is what I'm targeting. And I want to explain what each of these fields are. As you can see, the home title is what you see here. Golf tips, the most in-depth guide to instructions and then you've got the home description, which is the description here. The keywords aren't displayed here, but it's what you're targeting and it's what search engines crawl and will find. So it's a good idea to place your target keywords here. So let's start. For this blog, my blog's called Golf Tips. So I'm going to put in the home title, Golf Tips. It's a good idea to make sure that your keywords are also included in the title. Because I'm targeting golf tips, and my blog is called Golf Tips, it's already in there. But if, in your case, your blog is called something else and not including your keywords, then you simply add it together with your title. In the home description, as I mentioned, is basically what you see here. So again, you want to include your keyword here together with your description. So I've put in a blog dedicated to providing golf tips, and as you can see, I've included my key phrase there. And I've also included get free articles, videos, tutorials, and more. In the home keywords, I would put in my keywords or key phrases here. So I've put in golf tips, improved golf swing, golf blog, and golf articles. Moving forward, we've got all these other options here. We're going to simply ignore it and just update options. And now it's been updated. When I go to my blog now, you can see from the home title, it now uses the all-in-one SEO pack's settings. So the all-in-one SEO pack is the fastest and easiest way to make your blog more search engine friendly. How to install plugins. Plugins basically enhance your WordPress blog with more features, tools, and options to give it more flexibility. There's a range of plugins you can install, such as plugins which optimize your blog for search engines, and plugins which make your blog more user-friendly. So to install plugins, all you need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, and in here you can see activated and deactivated plugins currently installed. To search for a new plugin, simply click add new. If you know what type of plugin you need, simply do a search here. Or if you'd like to browse, you can click the featured, popular, newest, or recently updated sections. If you've downloaded a plugin, you can upload it directly using the upload tool. In this case, I know which plugin I need, and it's called the All-in-One SEO Pack, and search plugins. And now we can see the results here. The plugin I need is called All-in-One SEO Pack. I'm going to click install now. And now it's asking me, are you sure you want to install this plugin? I'm going to simply click OK. And now it's downloaded, unpacked, and installed the plugin successfully. All I need to do is activate the plugin. So now it's activated. Some plugins require you to customize the options, so all you need to do is follow the prompts and any messages which appear on top, such as this section here. So that's how to install plugins. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your new domain name. So the first step is to access your web hosting control panel. And to do that, you simply type in your domain name /cpanel. And once you're in, you simply log in. And you need to look for a tool called Fantastico Deluxe. Inside you'll find WordPress. So simply click on WordPress. And you want to do a new installation. The first field is install in a directory. So for example, if you want your blog installed at yourdomainname.com/blog, then you simply put in blog. But in most cases, you want your blog installed in the main domain name, which is the most typical. So in this case, I'll leave it blank. Then you want to add a username and password, followed by your name, and an email address, and your site name. In this case, I'll just choose and a description. And simply click on Install WordPress. Click on Finish Installation. And your blog is now installed. Now to see if it's installed, simply go to your main domain name or wherever your blog was installed. So if it was installed in /blog, then you put in yourdomain.com/yourblog. As you can see, the blog is now set up. And next you want to customize your blog.